The best guys, welcome to Jaybest Tech Tv and welcome to today's video. This video is about the preview of Itel A56. Know that a few weeks back I actually did a video of top 10 best phones you can actually get below the price of 30,000 naira for those that stays in Nigeria, while below the price of $72 for those that actually stays outside Nigeria. So in that video I choose to cut out one of these devices, which is the Itel A56, and choose to do a preview of that. So this video comprises of Itel A56 key specifications and the price you can actually get this device in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. Note that the purchase link of this video is in the description section. You can check the description section to get the purchase link to purchase this device online. So without further ado, we're bang guys. Let's explore. Please. The device standing on the list of number 9 is coming from the Itel Mobile, that is, the Itel A56. The major selling point of this device is the large 4000 mAh battery capacity and its large screen size of 6.0 inches screen display. Spec-wise, the Itel A56 runs on Android 9.0 and is powered with quad-core Spectrum processor XC7731E along with 1GB RAM space and 16GB inbuilt storage. On the camera department lies the dual rear camera, which are 8 megapixel plus 0.3 megapixel. The selfie camera of this device is 5 megapixel. This phone costs a price of 28,000 naira.